This could cost lives. EU loophole could deny thousands of UK children top cancer drugs. Currently, about 3,600 children in Britain could miss out on cancer drugs thanks to the baffling omission. The loophole allows firms to exclude children from drug test trials for adult cancers, even if the medication could work on all ages. Now, in a letter to European Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker, charities including the Institute of Cancer Research and Teenage Cancer Trust have demanded action. But instead of changing the rules, the Commission has set up a review into the legislation, which could take 2 years to come to any conclusion. Brussels officials have been accused of failing to act. Professor Paul Workman, chief executive of the Institute of Cancer Research in London, said, "There is no scientific reason why children's cancer treatments have not advanced as quickly as adult treatments. Pediatric cancer researchers are dedicated to finding new ways to treat childhood cancer, but the outdated EU pediatric regulation is a major roadblock. We believe that there is no excuse for another 2 years of the status quo, and fear that the delays will cost the lives of children and young people." Every year 1,800 children in the UK are diagnosed with cancer, commonly leukemia, brain cancer or cancer of the spinal cord. It means by the time the review has been completed 3,600 children will have developed the disease and may have been denied access to drugs trials which could save their lives. Under the current regulations, drug companies can deny children access to clinical trials for diseases like kidney and lung cancer, which are seen as adult diseases. But charities say a lung cancer drug has been shown to treat childhood brain cancer, while an advanced kidney cancer drug, called axitinib, could help children with rare cancers like neuroblastoma. A statement from the 16 children's cancer charities read, "With so many drugs not going into clinical trials for children, the group of scientific institutions, charities and parents' organizations do not believe children should have to wait 2 years before action is taken. They are calling for urgent reform, to update the regulation and ensure children and young people have the same access to new cancer drugs as adults." In their letter to President Juncker, they state that the current pediatric regulation could do much more to ensure that children benefit from the dramatic advances in treatment we are seeing for adult cancers. The group believes a simple change to the waiver system would have a dramatic impact on the number of clinical trials for children with cancer. An evaluation of the European Commission rules will not conclude until 2019. Vidnis Andriukaitis, Commissioner for Health and Food Safety, recently said, "When we consider the advances in adult oncology, it upsets me deeply that we have not made the same progress in treating the cancers that affect children."